Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Edelson. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. I've been practicing plastic surgery in San Diego for 25 years. Do you have areas of stubborn fat on your body that are just totally resistant to diet or exercise? If so, you may be a good candidate for suction-assisted lipectomy, more commonly known as liposuction. Liposuction continues to be the #1 most popular plastic surgery operation performed, with a very high satisfaction rate. In women, typically the areas that are suctioned include the abdomen, the hips, the outer and the inner thighs. In men, the areas that typically are suctioned include the abdomen and the waist, and often we can suction the chest if you have a condition called gynecomastia, which is enlargement of the male breast. Most doctors who perform liposuction use what's called the tumescent technique. And what that involves is the injection of large amounts of fluid into the fat layer prior to suctioning out the fat. What this does is it helps loosen up the fat and makes it easier to remove larger quantities of fat with much less blood loss and much less bruising. Additional modalities that have been tried include the Vaser, which I perform. And what this involves is the introduction of high-frequency ultrasound into the fat layer, which disrupts the cells and makes it easier to remove the fat. Because it's easier to remove the fat, there's less bruising, there's less pain, and there's less swelling. Another technique is laser liposuction, which accomplishes the same thing. The laser disrupts the fat cells and makes it simpler and easier to remove more fat with less trauma. The recovery from liposuction generally depends on how many different areas are performed at one time. If you're having just a few areas suctioned, you can be back to doing just about anything you want in just a couple days. Larger areas and more areas that are suctioned may require a recovery of maybe 4 or 5 days before you can get back to most of your usual activities, including exercising. If you're interested in liposuction or any other cosmetic operation, I'd be happy to see you for a complimentary consultation. Simply call my office and I'd be happy to meet with you.